welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this belt here. It's called Quail. It's Quail and it's very good. So now watch out how I am going to prepare this quail. I'm going to make quail for dinner. So watch out. These are all the quail. Right away, just cut it open. It's like chicken, but a small large. So this is it. It's open. You can cut it in 4 like this. So it's very easy to cut. So finish cutting everything now. So this is it. These are all the bells. So the thing I will do now is to wash them, and then we'll start the preparation. So I finished washing the quail meat. What I will do now is to slice this garlic and onions that we will use to, we don't have to overpower it with anything. We just use garlic, onions, chop everything together, rough chop. So this is it, very easy. So this is it, the chop. This is ready now. Now I'll bring out the quail. These are the quail meat. Right away I will add the spices we need. We don't overpower it because it's a tiny meat and it's very tasty on its own. So we don't overpower this meat. The first thing we will do now is to add this all spices. A little bit of it. That is a teaspoon of it. Heat. We just add a little bit of heat, like a chili pepper. A little bit of seasoning. We don't need to, but we just have to add a little bit of it, and salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then all we do now is to mix everything together. We can mix it with my hand so that everything will go through very well. So now this is it. It's ready. So this is it. It's ready. Now we start the cooking. So the time to start the cooking. Right away, we're gonna add oil to the pan. This is oil. Just add to the pan. That's enough. We had all the onions and the garlic together. This is it. Then right away we had the quail to eat. These are all the quail. This is it. Let it cook for at least a few minutes. Then these are the quail meat. It's cooking very fast. So this is it. Yeah. So it's cooking very fast. Now we just add a little bit of cooking wine to it. Let the vapor cover everything before we So it's cooked now. It's time to take it off from the fire. Very well cooked. This is it now, and we just have to add this parsley to it. This is it. Oh my god, this is an art. Look at the time. The drumstick. Let me take more. These are all the drumstick. So hot. Oh my god. This is good. Thank you guys. Thank you all for being here. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is it. We cook it all together. So good.